payment, and then I'm gonna come off. Shout out to Billy Braggs, man. Billy Braggs sent Pistol Jew at Red Lobster. Ernest goes to Bahamas with Relito. You know, thank you. Enjoy your lives. Thank you, Sue. Appreciate you. But yeah, hey, you're welcome, Maurice. So where are you, Rodriguez Jones? Did you send this one in? So this is Pistol Jewel at Red Lobster. Ernest goes to the Bahamas with Relita. Let's see what we think of this for the last one.
Sometimes I am my dog back. Sit down by the pool while Sparky licks peanut butter off my mule. Sometimes I am my dog back. Can't wait to get home. Get home and take off my trousers. Have Sparky bite my bone for hours. Sometimes I am my dog back. Watch all the puppies shiver after they fuck them in the river. Sometimes I am my dog back. Oh, God. Sometimes I am my dog Let him hump me with a strap on, then we play fetch on the lawn. Sometimes I am my dog back. I like to play Red Rover, then I shoot my load all over. Sometimes I am my dog back. Oh, don't be so rough with it. Oh, sometimes I am my dog back.
Yo, you know what? I think I just beat Heavy Metal Trap with one of the best tracks that we've ever played on iPhone Radio. That was crazy. Oh my God. I mean, yo, listen. I mean, come on, seriously. Oh my God. Yo, are you serious? Are you serious? Like, really? That was like, yo, that made me think of someone eating someone. Like, God damn, like some Hannibal attacking someone or something.